Hello and welcome to OMC Ford and Kia here in Oldham. My name's John and today we have the Ford Fiesta ST-Line 1 litre turbo with just 18,733 miles. The car has now been through a 160-point mechanical inspection for your peace of mind. The car comes with some great features that include the iconic black roof, satellite navigation, rear parking sensors, 17-inch grey wheels, automatic headlights and cruise control. If you think this car could be for you, for only £99, you can reserve the car subject to view and test drive. We would love to hear from you, so please give us a call on 0161 287 4141, alternatively on our website. On our website you can also find a finance calculator, book a test drive or request a personalised video highlighting the features that you would like to see more of. Thank you.